Hi, welcome everyone. Welcome back to Joesin Translation YouTube channel. So, in this video, we are going to focus helping you improve your English pronunciation. And in this video, we are going to focus on this symbol, N or N sound. Alright, let's get started. Ketika kita belajar pronunciation bahasa Inggris, hal yang harus kita pahami adalah orthography dan phonetic transcription. Dua istilah ini berbeda. Orthography itu mewakili setiap alfabet atau tulisan yang kita baca, sedangkan phonetic transcription itu adalah urutan dari setiap simbol yang mewakili suara kita. So, ketika kita berbicara, suara kita itu mewakili phonetic transcription. Nah, sekarang waktunya kita mulai dari sekarang. Not, money, widen, sudden, didn't. Okay? And we are going to focus on N sound. Let's get started. Kapan suara N itu diucapkan? Tentu saja untuk suara N hanya berada pada huruf alfabet N. For example, nurse, can, band, kind, under, certain, banana. Alright? Banana. Okay, very cool. Nurse, can, band, kind, under, certain, banana. Alright. Cara mengucapkan suara M itu sama dengan bahasa Indonesia, yaitu N. Jadi tidak usah khawatir. Waktunya sekarang practice time. So, I have 4 sentences as the tongue twisters that you can practice. Alright. Number 1, 9, nice, night, nurses, nursing, nicely. 9 eyes, night, nurses, nursing nicely. 9 eyes, night, nurses, nursing nicely. 9 eyes, nurses, nursing nicely. That's cool. And then number 2, 9, nice, night, nymphs. Oh, it's a bit difficult to pronounce this one. Nymphs. M, F, S jadi satu. Nymphs, okay? 9 nice night, nymphs. Okay, good. Number 3, okay, number 3, 9, nimble, nobleman, nibbled nuts. Okay? 9 nimble, nobleman, nibbled nuts. All right. And then number 4, Nick, knits, Nixons, okay? Niggers. Okay, Nick, knits, Nixons, niggers. Okay, very cool. So, itu adalah penjelasan dari pronunciation untuk N sound. Dan kita akan lanjut lagi ke video yang lainnya tentu saja. Apabila kalian suka dengan video kita, jangan lupa ya tekan tombol subscribe-nya, like, comment, dan share this video to your friend. And see you international and sociable people. Bye!